My name is Adrian Binding. I'm a data scientist working for EI3. Last year I got to develop a predictive algorithm for a certain type of mechanical failure that would occur on a large industrial printing machine. This type of failure causes thousands of dollars in damages each month. On the one hand, losses in production, as well as on the other, repair costs. As we had seen in many previous projects, machine learning algorithms that work well in experiments stop performing in the field. This is due to the incredible noise that is present on a factory floor. This includes sensory noise, which means that there are disturbances in the sensors, as well as operator interventions which cause discontinuities in the data. This is why at EI3 we started working on developing filtering algorithms which would denoise the data. The idea is that these filtering algorithms would adapt to the environment and reduce the noise that we encounter. These algorithms, being adaptive as they are, can not only work for this printing press, but can also be applied to other environments and other types of machines. Based on our solution, our client can now identify a large portion of the events before they occur. This means that an operator can intervene, preventing further loss of production and long downtimes. I am very proud that our algorithm has now been published by the IEEE because it shows that we are on the cutting edge of research and can assist our clients by deploying working solutions while also furthering knowledge.